All right, let's have a look at distance clamping. Distance clamping basically means the points that are close in a range or further away than a certain range will be removed from the final point cloud. When and why do we need this distance clamping? So if your drone flies in an environment that is full of dirt and dust, the powerful fan of the drone will create a lot of dirt and dust in the air, and these dirt and dust might be seen as a part of environment at some points and will be added as a noise to the scene. So if we clamp them at the point that are far away, so we can get rid of a lot of them. Also, if your surfaces of environment has a lot of shiny surfaces like water, bare metal, mirror, glasses, you will have a reflection of the environment multiple time in different scales. This is called the ghosting effect, and you will have some ghosting structure in your environment. By clamping the further away point, this structure will be automatically removed. Our rule of thumb and recommendation is to clamp maximum 1.5 times more than the width or height of a structure. So if you fly away in a tunnel, you can set it to 1.5 times the width or height of the tunnel. All right, let's use clamping and compare it with when we don't have any clamping to see the impact of the distance clamping. All right, my import is finished. So this is my flight without any clamping. It's called raw. And as you can see, we have some sporadic noise outside of our environment and also inside. Okay, I will go through the point cloud. And now I switch to clamp one. And here you can see we have way better point cloud with less sporadic noise, and as you can see it's way cleaner, and it's a way better representation of the environment. So here I haven't used any filter yet for removing the noise, but in the following we will see the clustering filter and a statistical noise removal to remove a further noise from our environment and make the point cloud cleaner.